Hi guys. So, today, so what should we talk? So, I will tell about the experience I had with the Blackbird series. So, yesterday I told you that I watched it around 5 episodes, I finished it. I need to watch the final episode. It actually, when I start watching the sixth episode, I feel like what could what will be the ending, what could happen when everything is going fine, but how Jimmy will tell uh, everything to the guards, FBI, without even he having any mobile phone, or he is in a prison with no one around him could contact him. And in the meantime, every the FBI agents are searching for searching for the bodies without even knowing he got the answer. But but I was so worried about how this going to be, because I already passed around 40 minutes, I think. uh, 40 minutes, I think, because the episode is only 60 minutes of runtime. It will be the last episode and it only reached to this point. He know the places, but he can't find the map. He badly remembered everything. Very soon he will forget that, but he can't even. I was so worried. So then something happened terrible because when I started watching it, when I reached it around 45th minute, my video got corrupted. The format of the video got corrupted. Then it eventually became I can't see the video because I can't see the episode because it got corrupted. It's a 1080 pixels and 10-bit file. It got crashed. I tried every possible way, but it got crashed. So I want to know the ending. How will he get the confession from Larry? So I was so worried. Then I tried to download it from a website, piracy website, but I thought it can. I don't want to spend 300 MB of internet, so I just don't want to do it. So then I switched to YouTube and watched the explanation of the ending. Then I found out that Larry didn't confess anything. He only and Jimmy got out of the prison, but he can't help them. He can't help them with the case because he forgot the map. He was so worried about it, and the map is also destroyed in fire because Jimmy's father, Larry's father, actually destroyed it in fire without even knowing how valuable it is. Then the problem happened. Then Larry got confessed for only 2 crimes that he made for the 2 murders. Then eventually the story ended with Jimmy seeing his father, and his father is happy for him because he is a free man now. Then the story ended with the photos of two persons, which they are the real Jimmy and Larry. So I need to appreciate the cast recruit, cast director, or anything cast recruiting director. So he definitely made the casting in a perfect way, because when I saw the photo of the real Larry, I can see the resemblance, and he is the 100% perfect match for the role. It feel when you saw the photo and watched the series without knowing this is a real story, you will understand how I felt, because he is having a sideburn beard. Uh, it's a sideburn beard. They mentioned that in that way, and he's a fat guy. He's fat, so and a white person. When you see the cast, you can you can feel that he's 100% into that role. He had the same beard length and beard style. He had the same face. It was like he is the one who's the real Larry. It felt like he's the one who started acting in that role, but in reality, he is not the one. But it was so perfect. Then eventually, the story ended with Larry confessing for all of his crime in around 4 years, which his brother actually made confessing that, and convinced him to confess. Then he got the imprisonment for his activities. Yeah, that story ended with a good note. So today I finished that Blackbird series. My rating will be around 4.5, because the story and the way of telling the story is definitely good, but the story had a little slower. It's not very much detail. So and I can't understand everything when I watch it with the one stretch. So maybe I don't understand, but that's my opinion. It's definitely a worth watching series with one season of 6 episodes, and each episode contains 60 hours at the average. Mostly they are around 50 to 55 minutes. Those episodes are. So yeah, I actually like to watch that series. Yeah, that's all about the series. Um, so what's the topic I need to prepare? Is it anything I done interesting or learned interesting today? Nah, I didn't learn anything interesting today, but I will definitely learn something maybe in 2 3 days, whatever it is. So yeah, okay, bye.